The world is drowning in waste, but for the smart entrepreneur, this is not a crisis. It is a goldmine. We throw away millions of dollars worth of raw materials every single day. But what if you could intercept that trash and transform it back into treasure? The recycling industry is no longer just for massive corporations. With the right equipment, you can turn your garage into a sustainability hub that generates real profit. Today we are exploring 10 machines that allow you to recycle everything from plastic bottles to copper wire right from home. Let us turn that trash into cash. Number 10. Pneumatic Aluminum Can Crusher. We start with the most common waste item in existence, the soda can. Crushing them by hand is slow and tiring, but uncrushed cans take up too much space to transport profitably. The pneumatic can crusher solves this by using air power to flatten cans instantly. You simply hook it up to an air compressor and drop the can in and press the button. It snaps the can into a tiny puck in a split second. You can find these heavy-duty units on Amazon for $60. The machine essentially increases your storage capacity by 500%. Instead of driving to the recycling center with a truck bed full of air, you are driving with a dense load of solid aluminum. It makes the logistics of small-scale metal recycling actually worth your time and fuel. Number 9. Electric Kitchen Composter. Food waste is heavy and smelly and terrible for landfills. But for gardeners, it is black gold. The electric kitchen composter is a countertop robot that digests organic waste. Unlike traditional composting, which takes months, this machine uses heat and grinding and microbes to break down scraps into nutrient-rich dirt in just hours. You can throw in banana peels and chicken bones and coffee grounds. This advanced model from GEME is priced at $600. It runs quietly in the background and does not require you to buy expensive refill pods constantly. The business model here is selling living soil to local plant lovers. You collect food scraps from neighbors for a small fee and sell the finished compost back to them. It is a perfect closed-loop system for an urban apartment business. Number 8. Digital Heat Press Machine. You might think a heat press is just for shirts, but in the recycling world, it is a plastic fusion machine. High-density polyethylene, or HDPE, is found in plastic shopping bags and bottle caps. By layering these plastics and applying heat and pressure, you can fuse them into durable, waterproof sheets. These recycled sheets can then be sewn into reusable tote bags or wallets. A reliable automatic press costs $200 on Amazon. It applies even pressure and temperature, which is critical for melting plastic without burning it. You can create a brand of upcycled goods where every product has a unique marble pattern created by the different colored plastics you saved from the trash. It turns single-use waste into long-lasting fashion. Number 7. Automatic Wire Stripping Machine. If you have access to scrap electronics or construction waste, you are sitting on a copper mine. But burning the insulation off wire is illegal and toxic. The automatic wire stripping machine is the clean solution. It feeds the wire through a feeder and slices the plastic coating with a hardened steel blade. You can then peel the insulation off effortlessly, leaving you with bright bare copper. The Stripmaster E250 is an industry favorite and sells for $390. It attaches to your own power drill to save cost and weight. With bright copper trading at high prices, this machine pays for itself very quickly. You can strip a bucket of wire in an afternoon that would take you a week to do by hand. It instantly doubles the value of your scrap metal. Number 6. PET Bottle Filament Extruder. 3D printing is the future of manufacturing, but the plastic filament is expensive. Enter the PET Bottle Filament Extruder. This genius little machine takes plastic soda bottles and cuts them into a thin strip. It then pulls that strip through a heated nozzle to reform it into 3D printer filament. You are literally turning trash into raw manufacturing material. These kits are exploding in popularity on AliExpress and cost around $190. The machine winds the filament onto a spool automatically. You can sell this recycled filament to eco-conscious 3D printing enthusiasts who want to print with green materials, or you can use it yourself to print products for free. It is one of the most direct ways to close the recycling loop at home. Number 5. Electric Metal Melting Furnace. We mentioned crushing cans earlier, but if you want to maximize profit, you need to melt them. The electric melting furnace allows you to cast aluminum scrap into solid ingots. This compact unit plugs into a standard outlet and reaches temperatures over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It uses a graphite crucible to hold the molten metal safely. The TOE 3 kg furnace is priced at $266. It is safe for home use if you have a well-ventilated garage. By melting down old car parts or cans, you purify the metal and reduce its volume by 90%. You can sell pure aluminum ingots to machine shops or artists, or you can use the molten metal to sand cast your own custom parts and sculptures. Number 4. Plastic shredder. Before you can remold plastic, you need to break it down. The mini plastic shredder is the first step in any plastic recycling workshop. This dual shaft machine uses powerful torque to chew up bottles and containers and 3D print fails into small uniform flakes. These flakes are the industry standard currency of recycled plastic. You can find robust desktop shredder units on AliExpress for $600. It features a reverse function to prevent jams and a safety hopper. Once you have shredded plastic, you can sell the flakes by the kilo to other makers or use them in the injection machine we will mention later. It transforms bulky garbage into a compact and flowable raw material. Number 3. Sawdust briquette machine. Wood shops generate mountains of sawdust which usually ends up in the trash. The sawdust briquette machine turns that waste into fuel. It uses a screw press and a heating collar to compress sawdust into dense logs. The natural lignin in the wood melts and acts as a binder so no glue is needed. These briquettes burn hotter and cleaner than regular firewood. Small commercial units are available on Alibaba for roughly $2,200. You can source free sawdust from local furniture makers who are happy to get rid of it. You then sell the eco logs to people with fireplaces or wood stoves. It is a high-demand product in winter, and it costs you almost nothing to produce. You are essentially selling compressed energy. Number 2. Small glass crusher. Glass is heavy and dangerous to transport, which is why many cities are stopping glass recycling. That creates an opportunity for you with a small glass crusher. This machine pulverizes bottles into sand or cullet. The edges are rounded off during the process so the resulting sand is safe to touch. A compact electric unit on Alibaba costs around $1,200. The resulting glass sand has dozens of uses. It can be used for sandblasting or landscaping, or even making concrete countertops. Instead of paying to dump glass, bars and restaurants might even pay you to take it away. You solve their waste problem and gain a free product that you can sell to construction companies. Number 1. Manual injection molding machine. We finish with the machine that completes the plastic circle, the manual injection molding machine. Once you have shredded your plastic waste, this machine melts it and shoots it into a mold. You can make anything from guitar picks to screwdriver handles to custom buttons. It gives you the power of a factory in a device that fits on a workbench. These manual lever-operated machines are listed on AliExpress for $460. They are simple and indestructible. You load your recycled plastic flakes into the barrel and pull the lever. The plastic fills the mold perfectly. This allows you to start a green design brand selling products made entirely from local trash. It is the ultimate expression of value addition. Recycling is no longer just about feeling good. It is about smart business. These 10 machines prove that with a little investment, you can become a key player in the green economy. You are not just managing waste, you are manufacturing the future. Which one of these machines would you like to run? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more ideas on how to build wealth from home. I will see you in the next video.